我即馬人佇國立台灣大學，我即馬要行入去，就是要繼續這個環節。我就是想要來遮問異性戀人無對同性戀無尊重的問題。即問你是異性戀還是同性戀？
你講
Are you straight？ 你是 straight 還是 gay？
你個講一擺好無？
你是異性戀還是同性戀？
異性是啥物意思？
是異性戀、同性戀。
異性戀、同性戀。
你是倒一個？異
性戀。
Are you straight? Yeah.
What is that mean?
Or are you homosexual or heterosexual?
是不是同性戀、雙性戀
Yep.
I am the 異性戀。
好。Are you straight? Are you straight?
Are you straight?
Are you heterosexual or homosexual?
Heterosexual.
Are you straight? What's your gender preference?
Gender, male.
Yeah. How about your sexual orientation? Are you straight or?
Oh, I'm straight.
Are you straight? Are you straight?
6 hours later.
Are you straight or lesbian?
Oh, I'm straight.
安尼看你敢有咧交往？
即擺無。
你敢有交往？成咗講第二。Are you dating right now?
Right now? No.
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 Do your parents know that you are straight?
My parents, yeah, they know. Yes.
Will they worry about this? Will they worry about when you date with a girl?
No. They want me to date with girl.
Do your parents know you are straight?
Later that same evening.
Yeah, they probably haven't thought that I have the possibility to be.
Do you decide to be straight?
Day 2, day 3, day 4.
I think that I will like the girl.
Yeah. Is it because of nature or what?
4 to 6 days later.
Maybe because in my daily life, I find out that I'm interesting to the girl.
Okay. When you sorry. Could you?
And I will hope that I and the girl will keep going, and maybe in the future. So I think that I will take the girl to live the life in the future.
Do you choose to be straight or gay? What I mean, do you decide to be? It's by nature.
By nature.
Why do you think it's nature?
Nature. What do you think is nature?
Yeah.
Okay. I think. Sure. We should. I think. People should follow his heart.
若是你看到查某，你會感覺到愛無？
會感覺安怎？
你有感覺愛情的感覺無？
愛看人啊！
愛看人，是按照講愛看人。
愛看有水無啊？無啦，看感覺。
Do you feel love when you see boys?
Feel love.
3 weeks later.
I haven't, and actually I don't have I haven't got a boyfriend.
When you see girls, do you feel love?
Not all the girl, but maybe some of the girl. I will.
How do you differentiate the girls you love and the one you don't love?
maybe the first is the idea. If I am one of the girls have the same idea, and I would think that maybe we can live alone or go to the future. But if the girl is maybe so shy or so mean that I don't like to live with I don't want to live with her, and I will leave her. Yes.
But do you feel love? Do you feel love when you see boys?
Oh yeah.
Of all of them?
No.
How do you differentiate them?
A few moments later.
You can tell from his personality, like when you be with him.
6 months later.
I can feel I'm comfortable with him, and maybe I will, but not every boy. Every boy.
呢個感覺喎，你連線到另外一個空中，有可能你想講我有可能會使介意一個查甫的，我要找一個查甫夠有可能。
應該係冇可能吧？
是安怎安尼想咧？
因為唔知是講感覺吧。無拍過應該唔知啊。
但是做一個異性人是同性人，敢是一個選擇？
應該我嘛唔知咧，這問題應該好知啊。
You mean in my life?
Yeah, in certain lifetime you realize that you like boys.
I haven't have that. Yeah. In my life, I think that I only love girl.
Okay.
But I know, but I don't know in the future whether I will love the guy. Yeah.
Huh? Why do you think so? Is it even a choice to be straight or not straight?
Maybe I will think that I just love girl, but in the future there are so many things that I cannot be sure.
Okay.
So maybe one day I will love guys, but now I love girls.
When I was in junior high school.
Okay. Do you think sexual orientation is a choice?
A what?
Choice.
Choice.
Yeah. Is it a preference, or do you think it is love by nature?
I think it's by nature.
So you don't decide yourself.
Yeah.
Do you choose to be straight?
No.
So is it by nature?
Yeah, I think. But I'm not very sure I'm straight.
這個問題是對同性戀無尊重的問題，常常有人安尼問同性戀的啦。他拄仔我問這個問題，你安怎想？
佢會使吧？
佢會使，
我係真係當接受啊。
但是你想看覓，若是同性戀面對這個問題，因會安怎想？
我無確定咧。
感謝你講。
What I feel?
Yeah.
Maybe in the first I will feel that weak or strange. Yeah.
Can you imagine that when homosexual people face these questions, how do they feel?
Maybe they will feel that not happy because maybe not most people are the homosexual. Yeah. So if I am a homosexual and you ask me this, I maybe will not tell the truth to you because I was scared that if I am the homosexual, and maybe you will think that I am not a good person.
I think it's okay.
Really? When homosexual people face this kind of question, how can you imagine how will they feel?
If they are confidential, they maybe don't think embarrassed.
Oh.
But some people may feel embarrassed or maybe awful.
Do you think there is an issue about respect and disrespectful over here?
Respect or
Disrespect. Oh.
respect.
Uh,
Homosexual.
No. All I mean is, do you find this kind of question very rude, or to the homosexual people?
No.
How do I feel
Yeah.
about your questions?
Yeah.
It's too suddenly.
Too suddenly.
Yes.
What do you mean? It's very rude or
No. I just watching
too
my
sudden.
video.
Oh,
Yeah,
too sudden.
yeah.
Oh, I see. What do you feel when homosexual people face this kind of questions? How do you think they will feel?
The next morning.
Maybe uncomfortable because they think maybe it's like nature. They think it's very normal about girl loves girl and boy loves boy.
Okay, thanks for your interview. Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't have any special feelings. I think this is quite normal.
When homosexual people face this kind of question, could you imagine how will they feel when they face these questions?
I think this depends on the attitude of the person that asks them these questions.
How do you say that? Could you try to explain a little bit?
Like if you ask these questions, like are you a lesbian or straight? And if I answer I'm a lesbian, you say, oh, and this kind of attitude will upset them, I think.
So you mean that showing some kind of sarcastic face to them, then they will be very uncomfortable.
Yes.
Oh. 歹勢，即問你今日使借我淡薄時間。對。花時間，好，感謝。即問姐，今日使借小紅問姐。
我不太会讲台语。
Do you speak English?